Okay, Luke, are you ready for this epic adventure?
No.
Right, get ready to shoot, mate.
But they shot at us, okay.
Yeah, shoot. Okay. Not for me. This is my chain shot skills. And my average cannon skills. We'll just hit. I'm actually goat, bro. Why are they pulling up on a fresh spawn? Luke, shoot the cannon. Shoot the cannon, Luke.
I don't know.
Shoot the cannon, Luke.
I'm not in the mood to play games. Oh, they got on the ship and so...
Hey guys. It's good. Ow. Are you a solo sleep by any chance? How did you hit that? Fine, since I'm sending it to the feds.
Well, we're dying, so like...
Yeah, we can't
Maybe
die.
I can have better priorities, mate.
Okay, maybe I will. This guy has quite a bit of loot. I have no idea where he went.
I'm dead,
He's
again.
on the boat. That's nice.
Yeah, I can fucking tell. We're sinking, by the way, so you might want to get back.
We're just like firebombing each other's boats. It's a friendly, like... We're just exchanging firebombs with each other.
Don't mind the fuck, we are literally about to die.
No, it's Thomas Kilwell. Oh no. I have to reload. Where'd he go?
We are on
No, you
fire.
don't, buddy.
What are skeletons doing on the ship, bro?
It's called a bone caller, Luke. I'm trying to shoot cannonballs at them, mate.
And shoot cannonballs.
I'm trying, but... Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Stop letting them hit stuff. Oh my god.
My god.
I can't be bothered for this right now.
Can't fucking aim, bro.
If he hits me one more time, I'm actually done. I can't be bothered. Be dead, bro.
Okay. I just love how rare added individual stair hitboxes. That's fucking lovely. Oh, I got black screen. Hi. And I'm gonna get fucking... We have spawned back here. Who has joined the call? I'm recording.
Hey, cowboy news.
What? Send us an invite.
Give me
Oh, yeah, I'm in.
Send me invite. It's working team time. It's time for the working team.
He's not even on the ship.
We're doing hourglass. Okay. Nice. Alright. I'm so hyped for this. Let's go. You kidding me?
Bruh. Who's done that?
Bro, who did that? Oh my god, bro, who did that?
Wait, how did I die?
Oh shit.
What?
Wait,
No, just no playing for me.
What the?
Anything you want, and personality. You deserve it, man.
Let's do
You
this,
deserve
guys.
it, baby.
Let's
You
do this.
deserve it. Oh.
Day one back on Hourglass. This is gonna be fucking lit.
Some of my ships ever going down.
That
Oh,
was a
snap.
win, in my opinion. Let's
Same.
fucking go, boys. Yay! Let's go! Yay! Yay! Nice. I got a captain's chest. I'll grab it. Well, we don't have a captain. Holy shit,
Snake.
guys, I got an Athena chest.
I got a cannonball crate.
That's fucking crazy. Okay.
I don't think it's just crazy. I think it's Skibbity Ohio. Okay, I'm coming over, guys. I've got the first thing.
Guys, I got the Athena chest.
No, but I got something better.
No, I got something.
Like, seriously, on God, it's like 10 times better, you wouldn't imagine.
Like, it's actually 10 times better what I have.
No, you don't understand. You're
Luke,
just being
turn
Skibbity
around.
Ohio.
Luke, turn around. I got an Athena chest.
I'm busy. What?
I got like a better
see that?
Athena chest.
That is not an Athena chest.
Yeah, it is. I could never blow up the ship.
What did you do?
Look at this
Did
guy.
you? What type of chest did you bring on?
It was red. I was told it was the Athena chest.
Yeah, definitely.
Wait, isn't that a cursed chest?
What?
Great.
Yeah.
That was all Luigi's fault.
Bloody
Holes in here before I
bro,
left.
he got a chicken.
Shoot it.
No, bro, he got a chicken.
Wow. We're so fucked, by the way.
He got
You
a
just
chicken.
Why is the fact that you just blew the ship up and don't even care?
It's
Because
not
I
that
just
deep.
don't care.
It is deep, bro. It hurt me. Can this fucking storm just piss off?
He's got the artificial sun. What?
Artificial
What?
sun, bro.
What happened to
Waffle
your chicken?
sun.
What? What?
What happened to your chicken?
Gee.
Look what happened to your chicken! Look what happened to your chicken! Look, in my hand!
Stop moving, you fucking idiot!
Wait, how did that chicken? What?
That's fried chicken!
Yeah, well, look at me!
That's
Guys,
amazing.
look at me! Look at me!
You don't want to let you eat my chicken?
Why do you fucking do a trick with the stick to eat it?
What?
Why do you do a trick with the stick?
Just need to hold on.
Okay. What if I can't be bothered?
You know what? If you pretty much, you deserve to get fired. Put your PP in here. Wait, what if we all get put in here?
I don't think you can do that.
Wait, vote to put Frank Kapipi in here.
I think we're dying. Couldn't lie.
It didn't work.
Can I get removed from the cage, please?
No.
I'm gonna die of gas.
Cool.
I'm gonna die of gas.
Yeah.
Ow.
Ow.
How did I kill you both? Wait, hold on, I'll revive you.
No.
We're seeing. Oh, and he's fucking gone.
I wanna like take the water out the ship. We're kind of seeing.
No, don't.
I just masturbated.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna drown.
I'm drowning with you. Don't worry.
Yeah,
No,
we're
but
Titanic. Oh, look, Elliot, what happened to a true captain always goes down with his ship?
Well, that's the plan, but I'm in a cell right now.
A true captain always goes down in a cell in his ship.
Yeah, in a cell in his own
Well,
ship.
you guys, okay.
No,
Okay.
I lost. It was 170 health.
I've just been glitched out of the cell.
We're
Fuck
still
you, fell
bucketing.
through.
I'm out of the cell.
We're gonna keep bucketing. We can still do it, guys. Can we? Who's on helm? We need to turn the ship.
No, we don't. It gives a shit about
I'm gonna
turning
fucking
shit.
ram into it. You turn the ship, because then they're gonna turn and start shooting at us. Yeah, see, this is why you turn right, okay? Yep.
Nice you do that.
Hey, stop raising that.
Hey guys.
No, can you actually like anchor your boat, please?
How has that happened?
Oh,
What?
No, thank you.